Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why this thing is sliding off my face. Welcome. It's actually time to take this off, okay? This is like the most hydrating mask ever. I have oily skin, but I like to do hydrating masks often. I'm going to let all that good stuff just settle into the skin. I know that I have oily skin, but I like to do like hydrating masks often because you need hydration. Whether or not you produce oil, you need hydration. This one is the Neutrogena Radiance Boost Brightening Hydrogel Mask. It looks like this. It just leaves my skin feeling soft. Okay? All the time it does. Today, I'm going to get ready to go nowhere, basically. Guys, I was supposed to go out 2 days ago and I had the worst cramps in the world. You know when you're just so excited, you wake up in the morning, you ironed your outfit, set it out, everything is looking amazing, and then you go and lie down and that's it. That day, the plan was to film myself getting ready. And I'm like, it's 2 days later, the outfit is still on the hanger, but I am still going to wear it. I have to make this video still. So guys, today I am going to be doing a get ready with me. In this video, I have some exciting products. Ew. I left the mask just right in front of me. I had to just move it to one side. So this isn't going to be my regular type of get ready with me. I have some new products that I want to try. So I just want to focus on them in this video. I'm still going to be doing my makeup anyways. So most of the products that I'm going to be using in this video are from a Nigerian brand called RLG. Packaging looks like this. First time I saw them was in 2017 when I went to the makeup fair with Stella. If you guys remember that video, it was a long time ago. And I remember as I was about to leave the fair, I saw that they had a stand right by the door. Swatched their products then, was impressed. So I have a bunch of stuff from them. So if you guys want a detailed eyebrow routine video, I'm going to have it linked somewhere above. Just click on that. It's very detailed. Like I told you guys before, I saw this brand the first time in 2017. And at the time, they only had like eyeshadow palettes. I think about 3 at the time. So the packaging looked like this. I went to their website and I saw that they have quite a lot of stuff now. I told you guys last year that I wanted to like just feature more Nigerian brands in my videos, use more of them because it's a lot easier for us to get our hands on them, you know, compared to the foreign brands that we see other YouTubers using all the time. And not just Nigerian brands, African brands in general is actually something that I've like written it down. I want to try more African brands, as much of them as I can this year. I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from them. This is their Kalahari eyeshadow palette. I'm going to swatch some of the colors first so that you guys can see. Everything I'm just doing now is one swipe, okay? The more you apply, I'm sure the more color you will have show up. So these are some of the colors in this palette swatched. Going to go in with this shade here first. It's going to serve as my transition color. I did a little bit of digging on this brand. You know, I went to the about section on their website. I go to things like that. So depending on where you shop from, your order is shipped from like a different place. So if you order from Nigeria and Africa, I believe your order is shipped from Abuja. However, I think if you order from the rest of the world, your orders are shipped from the UK. I think they ship from the UK and they ship from Abuja and they deliver worldwide. In case you're wondering, I just feel somehow whenever I come on here and I tell you guys about a brand, but then the brand doesn't deliver outside of Nigeria. I'm happy to say that these ones, they do. I think I need a little bit of brown. So I'm going to go in with their Anita B palette. You know, the first one that I showed you guys looks like this. So I'm going to take this brown here. This one here, it's called Enigma. It's a very dark brown. I'm going to start packing this into this area here, okay, into my crease. First time that I went to their website, I had a VPN on my phone. So if you guys don't know what a VPN is one of those like things that you download that it kind of cloaks your IP address. I do that, like I have it on almost all the time on my phone because a lot of the websites that I like to visit, they actually don't allow Nigerian IP addresses. Sephora for one. Sephora doesn't let you into their site if your IP address is from Nigeria. So for most of us here to access the Sephora website, you have to use VPN. The first time that I went to their website to check, I forgot that I had my VPN on. And when I got there, the prices were all in dollars. So I went back and I disabled my VPN, went back again, and the prices were in Naira. So they're one of those websites that I believe, depending on where you're accessing the website from, it shows you the prices in your local currency, which I think is cool. It just saves you the stress of having to like convert, you know. They produce in Italy and their ingredients are EU approved. I like to just give you guys all of this and I want to do more of this. So what we're going to do after this video is, you guys should please let me in the comment section. Let me know, even if you're not Nigerian, tell me what brands from your country or just Nigerian brands that you like me to try out next. Please let me know so that I can do more of these type of videos for you guys. So moving on, I am going to carve out my lid space, okay? I'll be using the Louise eyeshadow base. This one is in number 4. So I'm going to use 2 eyeshadows from this palette. This green here, this is like a green mixed with brown, and this bright green here. I'm going to just dip the brush once into each color and I'm going to start packing it. There's nothing I find more irritating than when an eyeshadow swatches really well with your finger, but then it doesn't apply well with a brush. What's the point? This one is not like that. These ones are not like that. So going back into the Anita B palette, I'm going to take Enigma, the same color that I worked into my crease, and just pack it into this area here. So I need this black here, this one called Hadiza. I'm going to pack this into this area as well. I just want to add more depth, okay? I want this area to appear darker than it is now. To set my brow bone area, I'm going to use this bone colored eyeshadow here. So I have another eyeshadow palette here. They have a couple of eyeshadow palettes on their website actually named after Nigerian like celebrities and makeup artists. The Anita B palette that I've been using, I think is named after a Nigerian makeup artist. And then there's a Toke Makinwa palette. So this is a Toke Makinwa palette. This one has bright colors in it, but I'm going to be using this gold here. I really want to use this gold here. This look can do without this, but then the eyeshadow is called Enugu, so I must use it, okay? It's like a no-brainer. So I'm going to apply this on my tear duct area. Going to apply some mascara real quick. So going to line my waterline with my Maybelline Kajal eyeliner. I'm going to pop on this pair of lashes real quick. My eyes are pretty much done at this point. Any other thing that I'd add to this, I will do after I do my foundation. But I want to show you guys this real quick. This is the RLG Moisturizing Lip Oil. You guys can see that I have used this, okay? I thought that this was a clear lip gloss at first, but then it's not. It's like hydrating. I don't know, it actually has the same texture of kind of like a gloss, but it's a very like moisturizing lip product that just hydrates your lips. I've been using this a lot before I apply lip color or liquid lipsticks and stuff, and I feel like it just helps them just apply a lot better. Guys, I do my foundation in almost every video. You guys know the drill. Check my last 2 makeup tutorials. I did my foundation in all of that. So I'll do that and I'll be back just so that this video is not long, okay? I'm going to go back in with the brown that I applied earlier, and I'm going to smudge this on my lower lash line. So going to go in with Enugu, the same brush that I used to apply it earlier, and I'm going to apply this just in this area here. Some mascara. Okay, moving on to highlighter. I'm going to use the RLG, the wet highlighter palette. It looks like this. It has 6 colors or 6 highlighter colors in here. I swatched them earlier, but let me swatch them for you guys. And they swatched really well. They swatch really well. I'm going to take this shade here called Dawn. This highlighter is so smooth. Like, it applies like kind of like a creamy powder. The thing about this thing is that it blends out really well. I didn't apply any kind of base for the highlighter to adhere to, but guys, this thing is so soft. That's the only way to explain this highlighter. This is hands down my favorite thing from them. The eyeshadows are also good, but then this is like my absolute favorite as of now. I love this highlighter palette a lot. Hold on, let me... So got a couple of lip colors from them. I forgot that my mic was turned off, but this is what they look like. I hope you guys can hear me better now. Going to line my lip pencil real quick with their lip pencil. This one is in number 4. It's a dark brown. Right on the center of my lips, I am going to use their lip color called Winter Girl. I'm going to put my wig on and then change my outfit, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I really like the products I use from this brand, RLG. I think their products performed really well, and it makes me really happy because this is a Nigerian brand. I want to do more of this, guys. I want to try more of like Nigerian African brands. Give you guys my honest opinion. Guys, let me know which brands you would recommend I try next in the comment section. I'm wearing a blazer that I got from Zara. Zara is like my go-to place for blazers, guys. I love their blazers. They consider my shoulder. Okay, not a lot of brands put that into consideration, okay? And the skirt I've had for years. I got it from Forever 21 like ages ago. The lacy cami thing that I am wearing, I think I got from Forever 21. I'm going to leave the list in the description box, so please check there. My shoes are from ASOS. So yeah, this is the outfit that I was supposed to wear a couple of days ago. This is a close-up of the makeup as well. It's just really soft and sultry, what I was going for. I wanted the eyes to be dramatic and my lips to be subtle. I don't like pairing dramatic like on the eyes and dramatic on the lips. I hardly ever do that. Sometimes it works, but not all the time. And in a situation like this, when I'm going for events where I know that I'll be eating and drinking, I don't like wearing bold colors on my lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.